Yo, man, I kind of want some dog food. Yeah, I really want some dog food. Nah, really? It's like our favorite food. Yo, I'm straight to drink. I can't even eat anything. I'll just go and be soggy. Sucks for you. You're pretty much like that too. Oh. Yeah, I'm good. So I'm staying behind. Seriously, we can literally fly. I don't care. Whee! I'll catch up with you later. Okay, Jeff. There it is. The beautiful. What beautiful dog food. I love it. I really do. Now send the drone to go get Jeff. Okay. Ooh, there's a dog. Yo, the dog just went away. Did you see that? Where'd Zoe go? So you must eat in peace. So you must eat in peace. Come here. Come here, Zoe. Nothing can stop her. Must protect dog. Yo, man. Guess what? What's up? Dive in. Get him. What the heck, bro? You almost took all of it. Go get some. Bet. No. You want coming in too? No. I see you. That's it. Yeah, I see your little butthole. I see that little butthole of yours. Get it down there. You guys really think you can eat the food? Get back where you came from. You two. No, I don't want to go. You two, you Miss Lady. Come on in. Let's go. Now stay there. Bye. That's the end. Subscribe.